Yeah, hi, this is Santosh Reddy and I'm the manager of operation in Bakers Inn. This promotion is all about rusk. As I can say, Bakers Inn is always looking for something innovative and creative. And so we keep launching different kind of products. Like in the 19 years of our growth, we launched so many new products. And right now the promotion we're doing currently is regarding the rusk. And like we launched 5 different flavors of rusk. Initially in Bakers Inn, the only rusk available was the regular plain rusk and fruit rusk. But right now we came out with an innovative idea, thinking that if in cookies only, if you have like 5 different varieties of so many varieties of cookies, why not get them in rusk too? We launched up 3 new varieties of rusk, that is chocolate, almond, and jeera rusk. And as you know, normally people think rusk is all dried up bread, but let me tell you, it's not dried up bread, but rusk is specially made from milk dough, and it's double baked actually. So initially, after we bake it, we cut it into slices. After the first baking, we cut it into slices and then bake it again. So that gives the rusk the crispy and the crunchy flavor. So that's how rusk is prepared. And right now the promotion which is going on in Bakers Inn is, if you're buying we have packets of 625 grams available in every outlet. So basically, if even though it's for 625 grams, you're paying only for 500 grams. So it's like you're getting 25% free, and it's available in all the dine-in outlets, and the promotion is available in all the dine-in outlets, and it's available on all the 5 flavors, and each rusk varies from price to price. Basically, rusk can be preferred with coffee and tea. And right now, as you know, monsoon is starting, so it's going to get a bit cold, and even in winters when it's cold, people like to have a hot cup of coffee with probably cookies. But when you dip a cookie into your hot coffee or coffee or tea, but it starts to melt down. In order for that, we launched different flavors of rusk, so that people who like chocolate can dip chocolate rusk into the coffee and tea. And almond rusk is a premium product. So almond rusk, we normally have it for special things. So like even in a colony, when we have a small get together, people like to have almond rusk and they keep demanding for almond rusk. Even though if we give them a sample of the new rusk we're launching, they'll be like, no, we like only almond rusk, please get almond rusk. So that's how almond rusk demand is all over. So we wanted people all over to Hyderabad to taste a different kind of rusk, and that's the reason why we're having this promotion.